To make an embroidered tote bag, you will need an embroidery hoop, some tailor's marker, some needles, some thread, scissors and a tote bag. To start, sketch out your design on the tote bag using the tailor's marker pen. Double the thread through the needle and tie a knot at the end. To start your first stitch, pull through the bag and finish it as a normal stitch. Then when you go into your second stitch, pull it through the bag a little bit further away from where you finished the last stitch, and then finish that second stitch where you finished the first stitch. I then repeat this process following the guidelines that I drew in originally. I used the black, yellow and pink thread. When my thread comes to an end, I finish it off by tying a knot through the last stitch. Once I've finished with the embroidery, I take off the embroidery hoop. Although the bag could do with an iron, that's the design done.